Next, thebesthotelonline.com. I'm now staying at the Carrington Hotel, Katoomba, at the Blue Mountains, which is the World Heritage Site located in Australia, Sydney. So the Carrington Hotel, Blue Mountains, actually has different kinds of rooms, such as the colonial rooms, premier rooms, as well as the traditional shared facility rooms. I'm now staying at the traditional shared facility rooms, which does not have an ensuite bathroom in the room. So you actually have the shared bathroom located at the end of the corridor. I must actually praise that the Carrington Hotel Blue Mountains actually has a very long history back then, and everything is actually instilled in old traditions. However, the conditions of the hotel looks very new and modernized. So this is actually the room of the traditional shed in the Carrington Hotel. So as you can see, the room itself is very spacious. There is actually a queen size bed near the door. So two lamps. The room itself is actually quite dimly lit. So nothing much special in the room, only that it has a bed, no bathroom. Okay, it also has the table here for you to dine and relax. So the Carrington Hotel Sydney does not actually have an air conditioner installed in the room due to the temperature. So you don't actually have the coldness with the aircon. We actually enjoy the breeze out there. So there's also a TV out here, which actually gave us some issues during our stay when we checked in just minutes ago. So we actually shift 3 rooms before we reach into this final room where the TV actually seems to be working. There's also a fridge here for your needs during your stay at the Carrington Hotel. So if you're actually feeling quite cold, there's a heater here to warm up the room. So there's also a fan, okay, a fan here with the heater for your needs. So looking out is really special at the Carrington Hotel. So as you can see, the Carrington Hotel, Katoomba, Sydney actually has a really nice design and it's all fully carpeted. So this hotel actually has a really long history. Looking at the right of the Carrington Hotel, this is actually the bath for both the men and the women, so it's actually separated that you can enjoy during your stay. So book now for the Carrington Hotel at the besthotelonline.com or any other hotels in Katoomba, which includes the Best Western Hotel, as well as the other hotels such as the Leisure Inn hotels. So goodbye from the Carrington Hotel, Sydney.